talking about data-powered manufacturing. And so I would like to invite Ahmed back up, and with him from SAFRAN is Luc. I will give the stage to you, and that is your power.
Thank you. Hi, everyone. I think that we can start. So I'm really happy to have Luc on stage. Last time we met, we worked together, it was in 2018, 19?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Luc has a long experience in driving digital transformation in a very complex manufacturing environment at SAFRAN Aircraft Engines. He built a data-driven manufacturing solutions, but also processes and methods that empower everyone from engineers, manufacturing engineers, plant managers, to take the right decision, the right informed decision, and drive transformation. I'm happy to be here with you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Luc PASCAILLOU, I work at SAFRAN Aircraft Engines within SAFRAN Group. And before switch on the PLM implementation based on 3D experience or NetVibes, I would like to share with you some information about my company and what's meant for us the manufacturing 4.0. Because I'm in charge to develop and to deploy the digital transformation in the industrial directions. Industrial direction, 9 plants all over the world, and more than 5,000 people working on production or in industrialization. So, SAFRAN Aircraft Engines, everybody know this name or no? It's a very old company. First, a private company, born in 2005, Gnomeron, a company, a private company. But after the Second War, French state decided to nationalize the company and create SNECMA, Société Nationale. Et je vous laisse continuer la suite. In 2005, SAFRAN Groups was created by the fusion of SAGEM and SNECMA. So in the SAFRAN Group, several companies, SAFRAN Aircraft Engine, but SAFRAN Electronic and Defense, SAFRAN Helicopter Engine, SAFRAN Transmission System, Landing System, a lot of SAFRAN companies. But for SAFRAN Aircraft Engines, 2 main activities: develop and produce aircraft engines for commercial aircraft or military aircraft. Our best seller for the commercial aircraft, the CFM engines. CFM engines, it was born with a partnership between General Electric and SAFRAN Aircraft Engines. And the new generation of CFM engines, LEAP 1A for Airbus, LEAP 1B for Boeing, LEAP 1C for Comac aircraft. It's the best seller of the narrow-body airplane. Second activity, military engines, 2 best sellers, the M53 engines for the Mirage 2000, and the M88 engines for the Rafale, both built by Dassault Aviation. Okay. So, an overview for SAFRAN Aircraft Engines. So, yes, Industrial 4.0 is crucial for us, because we have to produce more engine, and but not only more engine, we have to support it after in a service, and we have to reduce time to market. So, Industry 4.0, we want to gain in quality and performance. We want to workstation ergonomic and safety. But Industry 4.0 is not only a solution. It's not only IT solutions. It's method, and also networks, industrial networks to connect resources, for example, oven or cutting machines or measurement machine, to collect data and use it to optimize process definitions or product definitions. So it's crucial to develop and to deploy all the powerful of this new technology. So for the industrial directions, we have to explain for all the end user or the manager or the process designer or quality designer or quality manager how we want to digitize our directions. So sorry is in French because it's a vintage slide and I lose it. So this is just a pictures, so I'm so sorry. But I'm going to explain what the main idea, what the three topic we want to share with all the end users of the directions. First, we want to use standard solutions, PLM, MES, ERP solutions. PLM with 3D experience, MES with appraisal solutions, and ERP with SAP solutions. Second main idea, second topic, we have to develop digital continuity between product, process, manufacturing, and quality data. Third idea, we have to deploy industrial network to connect and collect information for plan, plan on manage the plant. In the first use case, this is this one, but with a quick response. And a second use case, collect information from the process or the product measurement to optimize the process definition or to optimize the product definitions. So with these pictures, it's a kind of PDCA lean pictures, product, plan, do, check, act. So this is the three main idea we want to share. We wanted to share to all the end users, just on one slide and in 5 minutes in a top management meeting. Quite difficult. So in the same times, SAFRAN Aircraft Engines decided to start 2 major programs on the company. The first is to unify all the ERP solutions, because we have Sightline, BAN, SAP solutions. So one major program to unify ERP solutions. And the second one, on the PLM solution here, the digital continuity programs. So the scope of the digital continuity programs and the ambition of these programs is to develop and deploy one platform, one solution for design, part manufacturing, assembly, service, and product quality. So to share the ambition, a little movie.
At SAFRAN Aircraft Engines, we believe that every great transformation is, above all, a story of men and women.
Men and women brought together by a common ambition to make our products ever more competitive while meeting increasingly high safety and quality standards.
To achieve this, we need to focus on what truly matters and what makes a real difference.
We need to communicate in a more connected, seamless way and facilitate our collaboration.
Each area of expertise, every piece of technical data related to the product, and every action are now interconnected.
From design to manufacturing to assembly, and from quality control to services, information and technical data flow uniquely and are shared throughout the product lifecycle. Each step seamlessly follows the next in a cohesive and natural manner through CNUM.
Through the Continuité Numérique program, We are reinventing our processes, optimizing collaboration, and simplifying our interactions.
From the aerodynamicist to the methodist, the assembly technician, the quality assurance manager, and the repair line supervisor.
The act of sharing technical information becomes immediate and accessible, benefiting everyone.
Together, we are building the future. Sinium is more than just a program. It's a transformation shared by every one of us. Sinium, united for a continuous transformation.
So, Sinium, one program, but 5 projects. One for design, one for part manufacturing, one for assembly, one for support and service, and one for quality. And in the center, integration project for all the components. So the first project is part manufacturing. Start in the middle of 2018, and now this is not a project because the solution is deployed about on 1,500 end users. So 7 topics was implemented on this solution. First, a product definitions, but not a 3D experience product definition because we are the first project of the program and design is not ready. So we have to, for use the product definition, we have to rebuild it from legacy systems. But we rebuild a product definition, a global product definition with all the components, 3D, documents, properties, technical properties or management properties, requirement, and FTA definition, 3D master definition when we are on a young definition, but for example, for the whole definitions of a military program, not possible because only 2D definitions. But with this global rebuilt product definition, the process designer can create manufacturing product and BOM, here, create routing process plan. It's the same thing for us. Design and management. On the process plant, we have a nominal path in blue, an alternative pace in red. And for each operations, we manage digital deliverable, technical deliverable, like work instructions, like a product list, but not a PDF product list, but a digital product list, sorry. A CAM integrations to machining, to other process, a tooling design, but also we manage on the platform referential. For example, standard IT, standard working instructions, or all the resource referential on cutting tools, on assembling tools. On the platform, about 100,000 resources are managed and used or reused on the different plants of the digital, industrial directions. And after the last topic, change management, advanced product quality plan, and product part approval process. To succeed to deploy to the end user, if your solution is too difficult, alligator, no, like this morning. So we develop a single point of access. It's raptor. No, it's alligator. Sorry. A single point of access on the SAFRAN Aircraft Engine website. You click on Fabrication Pièce. And free environment for the end user, but web environment. On the first environment, you have an access to the community, different community, to the post for the news, and here, all the working methodology in French, in English, and in Spanish, because we have a plant around the world, Mexico, USA, France, China, India. Third environment, legacy access application. So, for example, here, the MES built from Apriso system. Here, capability information, capability process, a legacy system, and here, the non-quality tracking application, TAC. So, I want to share with you, I want to share a focus on the second one, because we built this environment on NetVab solutions with a very good integration to Innovia. Oops. Tick. So on NetVib's environment, we develop several use cases. The first group of use cases is from business dashboard or non-quality or quality dashboard. We can access to the information to consult and expose what is wrong on the process plan, on sorry, that's not good. Yeah, on completeness data, technical informations, or readiness management. For example, requirement management. Sorry. For example, requirements are used in control, are not used, empty, are used in realization, control and realizations, and here we have the different context of use. When it's red, it's not good. And a second use case, to simply access to the information, the simply access to the process plan. Because in the 3D experience environment, when you want to access to the process plant, you have to use Denia solutions. This is not the web client. So we use NetVib's environment to have a very simple access to the process plant. So the path, nominal and alternative path, blue nominal, green alternative path, and all the technical information on all the operation. When it's green, it's okay. When it's white, missing. And when it's yellow, is frozen. So, but to this kind of dashboard, this kind of access, we can switch to Innovia environment and consult working instructions, tools, toolings, or program, CAM program, or measurement program. This is an overview of the first use case. So process plan, DP completeness, MIF monitoring, requirement, not manufacturing bomb, not here, and tools, this use case. A second kind of use case, we have not enough info data in the PLM solution, so we have to aggregate information data from the PLM and from the ERP to propose this kind of use case. For example, provisional tool cost or provisional tool needs. So the process designer, the project manager, can we check the provisional, oops, that's not wrong, sorry, the provisional cost for each asset, because in an engine, most of the parts are in titanium. So to cutting titanium, you need a lot of cutting tools. So the price with sharpening or without sharpening is very important for us. Cutting tool is more than 22 million euro per year for SAFRAN Aircraft Engine. So we have to optimize the use of this resource. And the second use case here, it's the provisional to needs. So it's a vision per month. Okay. Needs are not covered by stock or transit, so in 6 months we're going to have a problem. And I want to finish by I think the most important use case. Because this kind of use case is a real transformation for our end users. Because we mix technical deliverable, like process planning, process plan, operation, work instruction, and project management deliverable. So on the NetVibes environment, from a dashboard, I'm a manager of an industrial teams. So in my teams, I have some project leader, and I have, for example, on the LEAP 1A, five projects here. And with this dashboard, I can consult which projects are on time or which projects are not on time concerning his gate. So I choose this one. I can have an overview of the project, which part, which process plant, which project, which life decision of this process, of this project, and a timeline of the next gate of this project. With the team, I can switch to Enovia environment and share a detail of the project, the schedule, the task, and for a gate, which task is completed and approval, and which is not okay. On each task, I have the answer, approval or not, and I have all the technical deliverables associated to this task. So with the team, I can, on the missing deliverable or validation issue, develop an action plan. So this is for us a major transformation. At the end of this, at the beginning of this year, about 45% of the part industrialization are managed in this kind of system. So we are halfway on the deployment of these solutions. So to conclude, I want to share with you some topic. First, before start digital transformation, digital deployment, we have to define a strategy, but not on a strategy on PLM solution or ERP solution or MES solution. We need to define a global data model to have an idea which system going to support technical information, management information, and how the different system going to give an answer to a global digital continuity. The second, to manage human change, you have to propose an integrated solutions, because the end user, it doesn't matter if he work on an NetVibes environment or Enovia environment with Demia. He want to work in an integrated environment. You click, and it's very important. So to deploy the digital transformations, we use two axes. First, by use case, by topic. The second one, by plant. And on the first analysis of the maturity of the plant, for example, on project management, or for the tooling management, or the process plan definition, digital definition. We're going to define a local strategy to deploy the digital transformation by use case and by the end users. So at the end of the 2004, the digital transformation is engaged on 9 plans, 1 in United States, 2 in Mexico, 5 in France, 1 in India, 2 in China. And at time, more than 1,500 end users work on PLM solutions, 22X, and more than 3,200 work on appraisal solutions. To manage the transformations, we use not the mood. I don't remember who presented the mood indicator this morning, but I think it's a good idea. So we use DAU by MAU, the daily active user, monthly active users. So for us, on the PLM is 42%, and the MES is 90% of this number of end users. So this is not the end of the deployment. I think we are halfway toward the target, but it's ongoing. Thank you very much. The last of my slide. And thank you for your attention.